Could there be a major development on December 29th as a result of a chart formation? By the way, the U.S. blockchain payment company Ripple Labs has finished transferring 70 million XRP internally, starting a pattern. Furthermore, should XRP be written off as a hoax if it doesn't reach irrational targets like a $10,000 price target? Last but not least, the XRP ledger recently saw the appearance of XRPL inscriptions, which caused the network to struggle at 50 TPS and spark debate, concerns about scalability, and more. For XRP, December 29th is a very significant day, primarily for technical reasons. A technical study of the USDT and XRP price charts points to an impending breakout from a descending triangle pattern, which might signal an important change in the asset's direction and a major increase in volatility. The daily chart of XRP displays a descending triangle with a flat lower boundary serving as support and an upper boundary sloping downward, signifying lowering resistance levels. When there is ambiguity, this pattern typically represents accumulation, with the price compressing toward the triangle's apex. There's a greater chance of a significant change when XRP gets closer to this convergence point. The crucial support level for XRP is located at or near 55 cents, a level that has consistently resisted bearish pressure. If XRP stays above this mark, that strengthens the argument for an upward breakout. On the other hand, XRP's price may drop to test lower supports if it breaks below this crucial support, maybe around the 50 cents range, where prior purchasing activity might offer some support. In this case, resistance levels are equally important. The immediate resistance is located at about 63 cents, close to the triangle's upper edge. A strong push over this resistance level might set off an accelerated rise in the direction of the 65 cents mark, where prior market movements have formed a congestion zone. If this region is penetrated, it may be possible to try higher resistances, perhaps around 70 cents. Tension builds as December 29th draws near, which also causes volatility to rise. After the holidays, in particular, investors should brace themselves for more activity, as breakouts from these patterns have the potential to cause quick and significant price changes. It is important to take into account both possibilities. An increase would confirm a bullish prediction for XRP, but a decline might call for a revision of the medium-term prognosis. To be the first to know about new developments, don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Regarding the most recent events concerning XRP. Based on data insights obtained from Whale Alert, the 70 million XRP came from an address that Ripple controlled, based on data insights from Whale Alert. The 70 million XRP came from a Ripple-controlled address. The transaction was valued at $43 million when Ripple started it, which means that each XRP coin that was exchanged was worth 61 cents. The price of XRP has now increased to 62 cents, rising 0.83% over the previous day. Along with this, the market capitalization of the coin has increased by an identical amount to $33 billion, signaling a significant departure from the bearish trajectory indicated by the trading volume, which is down 13.85%. Even though it was clear that the money came from a Ripple account, the assets have been transferred to a different wallet that the business opened on October 2nd, allaying concerns of a sell-off. The fund's original wallet was created on August 11, 2015, and over the last 5 transactions this month, a credit of 200 million XRP was made on December 1st. The remaining transactions were debits, consisting of the most recent 70 million XRP outflow as well as 2 outflows totaling 60 million XRP and 120 million XRP. The wallet that belongs to Ripple now has 26.3 million XRP in it after the most recent transfer. On the other side, the receiving wallet is quite young and has 165.8 million XRP in it. The address showed a sequence of withdrawals of 500,000 XRP, 400,000 XRP, and 10.5 million, respectively, before this deposit of 70 million XRP. These days, XRP's internal transfers constitute a significant trend that may define the company's operational activity. Whale transfers of XRP are a crucial component of the coin's current momentum. Even if Ripple continues to be the leading whale influencing XRP's liquidity, other whales with less recognized transfers will also have an impact on the coin's future. Due to XRP's poor market performance, ex-user Cousin Crypto has made fun of the XRP community. In addition, ex-user Cousin Crypto has disparaged the XRP community in light of XRP's poor market performance. In particular, Cousin Crypto caused a stir when he questioned the quiet surrounding XRP's once dominant $10,000 price estimate. Whatever became of the XRP army? Given XRP's current standing in the cryptocurrency market, he posed a rhetorical question in an attempt to insult fervent fans. Cousin Crypto thought back to the times when the XRP army made noises regarding the potential for well-known financial institutions to use XRP technology in their payment procedures. The critic emphasized that the XRP army had contended that XRP was intended to rise to $10,000, citing emotional estimates as support. Cousin Crypto remembered to make fun of it. XRP moaned boys that, despite the adoption, XRP was unable to bulge. The critic concluded his analysis of XRP by saying, "Anyway, I'm bidding. The con is about to run out of steam. Far too silent." This criticism is released at a time when supporters of XRP have been looking forward to a big move in the price of the coin during the current bull market. Although the XRP community has been upbeat about the prospects of the digital asset, there appears to be growing skepticism regarding XRP's future, according to dubious viewpoints. How likely are the inscriptions from XRPL? The crucial query of the day is, how realistic are the XRPL inscriptions? Please remember to hit that notification and subscribe to our channel to be the first to learn more about the most recent developments in XRP. The XRP community was alerted to a project on December 23 called XRP Script, which sought to add inscriptions to the XRP ledger. The project's starting point would be a ledger of 84,789,000, according to information from the project's staff. Following the project's launch, market players adorned the XRPL with large numbers of XRP20 inscriptions. They achieved this by attempting to engrave random data on XRP drops down to the XRP minimum. This was comparable to the way Satoshi-based inscriptions operated on the Bitcoin network. After entering the data on XRP drops, they started several transactions, each of which contained a small number of XRP drops. As a result, the XRP ledger became overloaded, a pattern seen on other networks that have recently welcomed inscriptions. Owing to the inscriptions and XRP scan data, the daily average of 1.2 million transactions on the network increased to 4.11 million on December 26, according to an XRPL Explorer. Additionally, there were 20,183 newly activated accounts every day, as opposed to the norm of 2,200. Some creator and XRPL Labs founder Wietse Wind offered a distinct perspective on the progress. Wietse Wind drew attention to the fact that the inscription-induced network overload was putting the XRPL through a free stress test. The network has struggled to process 50 transactions per second, TPS, according to the developer, and validators have had to alternately validate transactions. Remember that the Ripple development team boasted a few months ago that the XRPL could handle 3,400 TPS in the most recent experiment, up from 1,500 TPS in the prior one? But before this trial, David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, refuted the earlier 1,500 TPS claims. Schwartz emphasized that they had never seen the XRPL manage 1,500 TPS on a live network. He also mentioned that the network's existing configuration allowed for 300 to 500 TPS. The argument about the XRPL's scalability persisted because it had not been required to support 500 TPS or even 1,500. The recent appearance of inscriptions, as Wind pointed out, puts this skill to the test. Still, there are concerns given the network's performance at 50 TPS. The Sum developer released snapshots that demonstrated instances in which 34 out of 35 validators provided validation, including Arrington Capital and Ripple, were absent from the validation list. There were only 33 validators in certain instances. Adam, the CEO of the NFT marketplace XRP Cafe and a full-stack developer, refuted the notion that the XRPL has difficulties. Notably, no reports of unsuccessful transactions or significant network problems were received. Adam emphasized that a spike in fees brought on by the volume of transactions was the lone abnormality. He claimed that certain validators' poor performance was just the result of inadequate infrastructure to deal with the increased stress. In what sense are the XRPL inscriptions feasible? However, criticism of the XRPL inscriptions project has also been leveled since it is impractical for the network. In contrast to the Bitcoin network, the XRPL blockchain is not a UTXO. Richard Holland, CTO of XRPL Labs, confirmed this and added that, in contrast to BTC Satoshis, XRP drops are fungible, making it impossible to distinguish between individual ones. As of right now, the XRPL inscriptions project has been shelved. The group announced an emergency, saying they had to stop the project because it was paralyzing the network infrastructure. Some market players have continued to mint more inscriptions despite the discontinuance, albeit more slowly. At its peak, the project was responsible for 80% of the transactions on the XRP ledger, according to the developers. Because of the slowness in minting, the XRPL is currently seeing 23 TPS. Now, please share your opinions with me in the comments section. Please make sure you hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like the video. I can use this with the YouTube algorithm. In addition, as you have been enlightened, you can aid in the enlightenment of others. Gentlemen, let's disseminate this information by showing this video to as many people as possible. Don't miss any of our articles if you are a serious enthusiast of cryptocurrencies. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our community as a whole.